Did you know that booking a hotel can significantly impact your Schengen visa or any other visa application success? However, lots of us have this fear that what if I book the hotel, do the payment, and then the visa doesn't get granted? It means I am at loss. Right, that is why you need to watch this video right till the end so that you will know how to book a hotel or make a hotel reservation for your visa application without spending a single penny. And this booking is legal and stress-free. So if you're interested, let's go straight into the video, and do not forget to like, share and comment below. Right, so we're going to head straight to our browser. But before we even start, we have so many applications or websites that you can use for this particular bookings, but I usually love to use booking.com. So that is exactly what we're going to use today. Yeah, even though they are not sponsoring today's video, but I would like you to use this particular booking service because it will grant you the results that you require. All right, you're going to come straight to the browser and you're going to type booking.com. So type in booking.com. Okay, all right, and then search for it, and when it opens, look for their official site. So that is the booking.com official site. This is how it's going to look like. So we've got stays, flights plus hotels, car rentals, attractions, and all that. So we are not looking at that. What we are paying attention to is the stays. That's the hotels. Okay, this particular one, this side. Okay, so stays. All right, so find your stay, scroll down a little bit. Where are you going to? So let's say you're doing your applications, you are traveling to Spain. Okay, I love to use Spain a lot, but it is what it is. Okay, so let's type in, we are going to Barcelona. So just type in Barcelona, so it will pop up there. So Barcelona, then it will require you to enter the dates. Okay, so let's say we're gonna go there somewhere in August 2025, so 11th of August, and we should be back by the 16th of August. Okay, that looks good. And then select number of people. It's just me, others. If you are two, if you are going with your partner, yeah, that's totally fine. You can select two. But if it is just you, the solo travelers in the house, let's just click one. It's just one person. Okay, so as we click on that, we're going to click on search. It's going to pull out all the facilities or the hotels available during that time for your bookings. Okay, the only thing you need to do is go through all this and choose a particular hotel that you want to go with and pay attention to the pricing. Okay, so choose what is reasonable, because if you choose a hotel that is going to be charging you, say the total stay for your holiday is going to be like £2,000, £2,000, and your bank statement is saying something else, it means you'll not be granted the visa. All right, so always I do say that whatever you're saying in part A, whatever you're saying in A should match with B, okay, so that it makes sense. Then let's say we want this particular hotel. It is Hotel Ramblans International. Hotel Ramblans International is centrally located, is literally located to the hotel where I stayed. I stayed in Hostel Paris for 3 days before I moved downtown to Hyatt Regency. And then this is the amount they are charging. They're charging you 660 for 5 nights there. 5 nights in Barcelona, they're charging you this amount. So we're going to click on that, open it, have a look at what they've got to offer you, and if you're happy with it, come straight here. They're giving you all the details. We are going to stick with the first option, which is the standard room. They've got the twin room, they've got the comfort, they've got whatever. So just click on I will reserve. So click on that one, the small room, and then you quickly have a look at what they've got to offer you. This is how it looks like. Amazing, great. Okay, this is what it has to offer you. So we need to select one of these. So we are going with a single room, like just for one person, one occupant, right? So this is the amount, the £660. That's what they are charging for the 5 nights. However, we don't want to do any payments, we don't want to risk it. Okay, so we are not paying for it. So select the second option, which is still for the single occupancy. You can see that at this place they are asking, see, You see that portion, they are saying free cancellation before 9th of August. Okay, and then at the bottom they've got no prepayments needed, no prepayments needed. Okay, so that's the one you need to choose. So we're going to go with that one. Okay, so what you need to do is come straight here. We're going to go with that one, so we're going to select this one. Okay, so we select that, and it will say you will be taken to the next step. Next step, confirmation is immediate. All right, so you hear that? Confirmation is immediate, right? Okay, and then this whatever. Okay, so we're going to click on I will reserve. I will reserve and wait for it to load. All right, so at this point we need to key in all our details. So pay attention when you are keying in the details. Make sure that you are putting in the right information on your passport, because you know you're using it for visa application, and the hotel confirmation that they will give you should have your name on it. Okay, so that's when the visa officer takes the two documents, they can be able to tell that it is you that did the booking. Okay, so at this part you put in your first name, your surname, you put in your email address, so that's the email address they'll be sending you the confirmation, and then you put in the country where you are. So wherever you are, you need to put that in, and you put in your telephone number. Put in your telephone number. Make sure the details are right here, because if you get this wrong, the confirmation details is going to be wrong for your visa application. So who are you booking for? I am the one, so you are the person. You click on the first one, I am the main guest. Are you traveling for work? No, it's for leisure, so you click on no. And add a request. We don't really need that now. Great. So we're going to go to the next and the final step. Okay, so this is where they will require you to put in your bank details. Okay, but then they are not going to charge you. Look at this note from this side, the one I've highlighted. They said you will pay directly to the property. No payments needed today. As we are doing the reservation, you don't need to pay. However, to check the validity of your card and guarantee your booking, the property will temporarily hold £4 on your card before arrival. Okay, and then they need to validate the card you are using. Okay, so let's proceed. At this point, you're going to put in your card details. Okay, so put in all your card details, blah 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 blah. Note, some of them they don't even take anything from your card at all, and then you proceed to complete booking. So as you can see from here, this has been confirmed. So they said your booking in Barcelona is confirmed, and then they've given you all the details. So that is the hotel you booked. It's Hotel Ramblans International. Total price is 709 from Monday 11th August to whatever, Monday to 16th, and that is the room you chose. So now next what we're going to do is you can print this form straight from here, or that is what you're going to need for your booking, because it has got a booking confirmation number and it has got a PIN code. So those are the things they'll be using for your visa processing. Okay, right, so what we are going to do next is you're going to move from here to your email. Go to your email. You should receive the email. At this point, when you check your email, you're going to see that they've sent you everything. They've sent you everything that you need. So you're going to see that you've got the location and then their telephone number. Okay, so they'll send you all that. And now what you need to do is that when you are filling your form, you remember when we were filling the form, there was a portion they asked for your hotel details. So you need to put in the hotel name. So this is where you're going to copy and paste the name of the hotel. So here you've got the name of the hotel with its address over there. I can't pronounce it. Hotel Vela 08002 Barcelona, Spain, and we've got the telephone number there. Okay, right, so in that case you've got your details for your visa. Basically, that is how you can book your hotels for your visa applications without paying for it. Okay, so yeah, this particular hotel, they were requesting for us to pay, like to to reserve £4, but even that they didn't deduct it. They have a specific time that they will deduct that from your account, and there are some that they will not even deduct anything from your account. So now that confirmation letter, you need to print it out and take it along with other documents for your visa processing on your appointment day. So when you finish with everything and your visa has been granted, if you want to go with a hotel, that is totally fine. If you don't want to go with that particular hotel, we can still use the same process. You just have to head straight down to the side. You're going to see view or update your details. So when you go into your email, you can still do that straight from your email, like the confirmation they sent to you. There's a link that could lead you, but if you don't want it, you can still do it this way. So view or update your details, you click on that and it's going to take you to this page. So from this page, if you look at the right side, this side, hold on a second, from this side, so you've got cancel your booking, upgrade your room, update your card, change dates, change your room, like all that you want to do is totally there. But then let's say we don't want to go with this particular hotel, we needed it just for the visa processes, of course, isn't it? So now we need to cancel it. You just need to click on cancel. Then they'll ask you a reason for canceling. Some will ask you, others will not. So here we need to select a reason for canceling it. So they have so many reasons there. Look for the one that suits you and put it there. So I would say personal reasons or trip was called off, okay, or change of dates or destination, right? So you can choose any of the above. So I am going to go with personal reasons or trip has been cancelled, okay? And then the option, did you not meet initial whatever? I found a cheaper word, I found a cheaper word, I found a cheaper word. Change of plans. So click on change of plans, and then when you come to this side, you see there's a cancellation fee £0. You will be charged £0. So you literally, they're not going to charge you for anything. All right, so you just click on that, and they've got cancellation policy here that you can have a read at. So basically that is that we are not paying for anything and nothing has been charged from our account. So we're going to click on continue. So let's go, and then I want to keep this booking. No, we want to cancel it. And you cancel your booking, guys. So it's that easy, okay? It is that easy. So immediately this is done, you get the notification the booking has been cancelled. Your booking has been cancelled. But then you've gone through your visa processing and all that, and you've got your visa. Note that if it is the hotel that you still want to go with, then you don't need to cancel it after the visa processing. But if there's a change in plans and you think the budget is too high for you, then, or you found something more suitable than the other one, then you can cancel it. Okay, yeah, basically that is all I've got for you today. For more travel tips, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that anytime there's a video uploaded like this, you will be one of the few people or the first person to be notified. Okay, thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you again in another one. Stay blessed. Then I'm fed up, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.